So this question says, if 8 hours and 30 minutes is equal to 450 minutes, what is the value of h? I see students writing the wrong equation for this question and therefore getting it wrong, right? Here we see 8 hours, right? And then we have 30 minutes and 450 minutes. So you have to try and work in the same units. If you're going to work in hours, you have to convert everything to hours. I think what happens is when students see the h hours, they confuse the h with the hours, and then they simply write h plus 30 is equal to 450, which is not correct, right? So what you have to do is, it says 8 hours, right? So we have to try and convert 8 hours into minutes, right? So this is the first thing you have to do. And we know that 1 hour is what? Equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours is equal to what? 120 minutes, which is basically 2 times 60 minutes, right? So if you go along with this, right, it means 8 hours is going to be what? H times 60 minutes, right? So you just have to know your conversion, unit conversion, right? So to write the expression for this, given this statement, we're going to have 60 times h, right? Which is this one here. This is in minutes now, right? Plus, as it says, and 30 minutes. 30 is equal to 450. So this is the expression or equation you have to write down and try and solve this to arrive at the answer. All right, so let's try and solve it. So we subtract 30 from both sides. So on the left-hand side, we have 60h. 30 minus 30 is 0, so we can ignore that. And then on the right-hand side, 450 minus 30 is what? 420. Right? So basically, we just divide each side by 60. Right? So this is by 60, this is by 60. This 60 cancels that. So we got 1 over there. This 0 cancels 0, right? Meaning we divide by 10. And then we have 42 divided by 6 is what? 7. So our h is equal to 7, right? So this is, it's very simple, right? If you try to use minutes, convert to hours, it introduces fractions, and some people may end up getting it wrong. All right, so h hours is what? 60 times h minutes.